Yes, my people, today I'm going to show you 1 or 2 tips and tricks that you can do to help stop Premiere Pro from not responding, crashing or freezing. Let's go. So first thing you need to do, right, is you go straight to your Premiere Pro tab at the top, go to your settings, and you're going to scroll down to your media cache. Open it up. As you can see here, let's remove media cache files. We can delete that, delete unused media cache files, or we can delete all files. But I'm always just going to stick with delete unused ones, all right? Press OK. And as you can see, it's obviously deleted the files. Next thing I want us to do is, if you just come down a little bit, you can select different settings that you want to do. So you can automatically delete cache files within 90 days, for instance, or do not delete. I always keep on do not delete. I'd rather do it myself. Or you can select to automatically delete your oldest files. Next thing I want us to go to is your memory. It's quite important here, all right? If you look here, my Mac is 16 gigabytes and the RAM I'm reserving for other applications is 5 gigabytes. So out of my 16, 5 of that is running other programs or other software. What I can do is minimize that so that I can get more RAM working on Premiere Pro. So as you can see now, the lowest I could go is 3 gigabytes, and out of my 16, I've got 13 gigabytes, which is available to run on Premiere Pro. Then obviously press OK. And there you go, guys. Give these 2 tips a go. Let me know if you want to see more. If you've liked what you've seen, please like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Have a blessed day, my people.